Okay, I just got the package and we're missing a part. I've looked in here, nothing on the foam. I looked in the bag, there's nothing in the bag. Looked on the other foam, nothing on the other foam. The cord was stuffed in here as indicated on the front. Here's the trough. And the trough, there's nothing in the back. Nothing on the part that goes into the trough here. Again, we've seen the grounds down here. Here's the bag. There's two pieces in the bag, which is the cup and the cleaner. Nothing there. That goes up there. But what we're missing is the tube, the frother tube. So no frother tube in here. I looked in there, I pulled this out just to make sure. There is no frother tube. So I've looked in there. There's no frother tube in here. I looked down in here. There's no frother tube there. So there's the hole where it goes, but there's no frother tube. So I need to know what we're gonna do here. Am I getting a frother tube, or am I getting a new coffee maker again and I gotta send this one back? Just let me know.